Today we're diving into some seriously exciting news from Microsoft that's going to change how we think about PC security. If you've ever worried that encryption might slow down your computer, you need to hear this. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about BitLocker. It's one of the most crucial security tools built into Windows, designed to encrypt your computer's storage drives and protect your data from unauthorized access. Originally, BitLocker was optional and mainly targeted at business editions of Windows. But here's the thing, starting with Windows 11 version 24H2, Microsoft has made BitLocker encryption enabled by default on fresh installations. And while you technically can disable it, after today's video, you might not want to, so what's the issue? Well, Microsoft has always aimed to deliver top-tier security without sacrificing device performance. Traditionally, BitLocker's performance overhead stayed under 10%, which was pretty reasonable, but here's where things get tricky. Modern NVMe storage technology has become incredibly fast. We're talking lightning speed input-output operations. The problem? BitLocker has been struggling to match these speeds without consuming significantly more CPU resources. The result? A noticeable bottleneck that creates a substantial performance hit. And understandably, users aren't happy about their powerful machines being held back by security features. Enter Microsoft's solution, Hardware Accelerated BitLocker. This is where things get really interesting. Microsoft just unveiled this new technology that will tap into next-generation system-on-chip and processor capabilities, while continuing to support existing UFS inline crypto engine technology. As you can see in this diagram from Microsoft, the architecture has fundamentally changed. On the left, we have the traditional software-based approach, and on the right, the new hardware-accelerated version. Notice the key differences in how data flows through the system. Here are the two major features that make this possible. First, crypto offloading. Instead of your main processor handling all the heavy encryption work, BitLocker now transfers these intensive cryptographic tasks to a specialized crypto engine. You can see this clearly in the diagram. The dedicated crypto engine component now handles the encryption operations, completely bypassing the CPU bottleneck. Second, hardware-protected keys. When compatible SoC support is available, BitLocker's bulk encryption keys are wrapped by the hardware itself through the SoC hardware driver. This dramatically enhances security by minimizing their exposure to potential CPU and memory exploits. Combined with the existing trusted platform module that safeguards intermediate keys, Microsoft is working toward completely removing BitLocker keys from CPU and memory altogether. Now let's talk numbers, because the performance improvements are absolutely stunning. In Microsoft's testing using CrystalDiskMark, the differences are night and day. For sequential single-threaded operations, the software-based BitLocker achieved read speeds of around 1,633 megabytes per second. But hardware-accelerated BitLocker? A whopping 3,747 megabytes per second. That's more than double the performance, clearly showing that CPU bottleneck has been eliminated. Write speeds showed similar gains, jumping from approximately 1,513 megabytes per second to 3,531 megabytes per second. And the improvements in random read-write operations were equally impressive across all benchmarks. Perhaps most importantly, hardware-accelerated BitLocker delivers roughly 70% CPU cycle savings on average compared to the software version. Microsoft says performance is now nearly identical to running your device without BitLocker at all. Plus, those saved CPU cycles translate directly into improved battery life for laptops and portable devices. So when can you get your hands on this technology? Microsoft is rolling out initial support through upcoming Intel vPro systems equipped with Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors. This new implementation uses the XTSAES256 algorithm as standard and requires Windows 11 version 24H2 or newer. The good news? As this technology develops and matures, Microsoft plans to expand these improvements to all compatible PCs. So even if you're not getting a new device right away, this upgrade could be coming to your system down the line. And there you have it. Microsoft has essentially eliminated the performance penalty of encryption, giving us the best of both worlds, ironclad security without the slowdown. This is a massive win for everyone who values both performance and privacy. What do you think about hardware-accelerated BitLocker? Are you excited about this update? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more tech news and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.